practice, or I am now carrying out my commitment, my election promise, to practice.
President Trump and the American administration knows very well that Jerusalem is an occupied territory. And as per the UN resolutions, Security Council resolutions, if we go back to 242 and 338 as a base for the peace negotiation since Madrid Conference and the Oslo
peace
treaty, process,
yes.
Jerusalem is an occupied territory. I mean, the issue is not shifting an embassy. The issue is recognizing Jerusalem as a capital of Israel.
Yes.
This is the main issue. The issue is, since this territory, based on 242 and 338, 1967 borders, when the Palestinians had accepted the two-state solution, which is based on 242 and 338, they gave the maximum. Until we reach a final, negotiation, and we sign a peace treaty between us and Israel, I don't think anybody has the right, according to the international law, according to the, those who believe on democracy,